Welcome to the heart of our operations, the Cropilots welding shop. This is where raw materials begin to take shape, where precision meets craftsmanship, and where our commitment to quality truly shines. Our welding shop is a testament to our independent production capabilities. With over 20 skilled welders and a range of advanced welding machines, we have the capacity to handle complex projects with ease. But it's not just about numbers. It's about the expertise and dedication that each member of our team brings to the table. You see, at Cropilots, we understand that every weld matters. That's why we ensure each weld is executed with precision, resulting in a tractor that's not just robust, but also reliable. We know that for you, our tractors are more than just machines. They're partners in your farming journey, and we're committed to making them the best they can be. But don't just take our word for it. We invite you to experience the Cropilots difference firsthand. Come, take a virtual tour of our welding shop. Witness the precision, the craftsmanship, and the dedication that goes into every tractor we produce. And while you're at it, why not explore the customization options we offer? After all, isn't it time you had a tractor that's truly tailored to your needs? At Cropilots, we're not just building tractors. We're building trust, one weld at a time.